How to do iPhone split screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do iPhone split screen multitasking without jailbreaking your device. This is a super handy feature that lets you use two apps at once, so it's completely free. Imagine you want to watch a YouTube video while scrolling through your Instagram feed, or maybe you want to compare two products on Amazon. With this split screen method, you can do all of this and more. Now, you might be thinking, isn't split screen only for iPads? Well, while iPads have a built in feature for this, we can achieve something similar on the iPhone without jailbreaking. It's easy and take less than a minute to set up. So, let's get started. We need to install a free app called Split Screen Dual Window. Make sure you download the right one from the App Store. Once you have installed the app, go ahead and open it. You will see a simple interface that allows you to select the two apps you want to use side by side. It's really smooth and user friendly. With this setup, you can multitask. For example, you can watch a tutorial on YouTube while taking notes in your Note app or log into two different Instagram accounts at the same time. The possibilities are endless. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.